Now let's move to our next topic, that is classification of exception. We have mainly two type of exceptions in Java. One is known as checked exceptions and another is known as unchecked exception. The question is, what is the difference between both of them? Checked exceptions are those exceptions those comes at compile time, during the compilation time of program, that is known as compile time exception or checked exceptions. And unchecked exceptions are the exception those comes at runtime or execution time of a Java program. Those are known as runtime exceptions or unchecked exceptions. Now the question is, when these checked exceptions comes, let's say your Java program is trying to access some resource that is outside the boundaries of JRE or JDK. For example, your program, you are writing something which is accessing database that is not inside the Java JDK environment, right? Or you are trying to access some file system, or you are trying to access some other resource that is not part of your JDK. In that case, that resource might be available or might not be available. There is a high possibility that that resource might not be available. And in that case, we must have to use handlers to handle those type of situations. Okay. So compiler does the check on your code at compile time itself, whether you are putting that script inside a try catch handler or you are handling that before you compiling your code or not. If you are not using handler while writing the code, while writing that script which is accessing some outside resources, then compiler will gives you error at compile time itself and insisting you that you please have to put this piece of code inside some handler. You have to handle this at compile time itself. And that's why these exceptions are known as checked exceptions or compile time exceptions, because these are checked by the compiler at compile time itself, and you cannot avoid them to handle while writing the code. You must have to write that script inside the try catch block. In other hand, unchecked exceptions or runtime exceptions are those exceptions which occur by the mistake of programmer. Okay, while writing the code, programmer is writing some things wrong. Okay, for example, if programmer is writing some mathematical expression which is making something wrong, then some arithmetic exception can occur. Okay, similarly, if programmer try to write some piece of code where programmer try to access some method with null reference, then null pointer exception can come. So if programmer is writing something wrong, okay, and due to that some exception will occur, then that type of exceptions are known as runtime exceptions or unchecked exceptions, and those cannot be validate at compile time. Okay, those will be occurred at runtime when you are going to run your code, and those are known as unchecked exceptions. That's why. Okay, very precisely, if I talk about unchecked exceptions, usually occurs when you are taking some input from end user and you are not validating that input. You are just taking that input and then you are start using that in your code, and somewhere that input which came was not correct, very unexpected, and you are simply using it in your code, and because that unexpected input came and you didn't put validation there, some abnormal condition raised from your code, and then your program gets abnormally terminated because you are not even using some handlers. So to prevent unchecked exceptions, the best solution is you must have to always validate input parameters that are coming from end user. Secondly, you have to always observe your code and put try catch blocks everywhere. You have to use handlers everywhere so that in case if some abnormal condition raised, you will be easily handle that. This is how you can prevent unchecked exceptions.